Hey Bjørn, first of all, big congratulations. You just won the VCTA. How does it feel?
I mean, to be honest, man, it's unbelievable. Just unbelievable. The other teams today was just so strong, but I just kept on pushing up the Djævlebakken. And I mean, yeah, it's crazy. Crazy, man.
Unbelievable indeed. Tell me, is this the greatest moment in your life?
I mean, definitely. I never dreamt this would happen. I have to say big shout out to my team, to Carsten the tractor. You just kept on pushing forward, taking all the win from me. It was amazing. And neither the pirate did these early morning rides all the way from Randers. Deep respect from me. And I cannot not mention Tommy the goat. You had such a tough time, but in the end you came through and you did the perfect lead out and you just made it so that we could win as a team. Such an amazing team, the Kædehunde. So amazing.
And tell me, what are your future plans? Do you have a contract with Kædehunde for the next coming years?
I mean, not gonna lie. I have been contacted by the climate neutrals, but it's never gonna happen. Never gonna happen. I'm just staying with Kædehunde forever. Lifetime contract. That is what I'm aiming at.
Well, once again, congratulations for the amazing achievement, Bjørn.